Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your V8 sound card to a PC. First, ensure you have all the required cables, including the USB cable, and locate the corresponding ports on your sound card. It's also crucial to verify that your computer's audio drivers are up to date. Finally, always power on your V8 sound card before making any physical connections to your personal computer. This sequence helps prevent potential issues and ensures a smooth setup process. Now let's make the physical connections. Take the USB cable and connect one end to the V8 sound card and the other to an available USB port on your personal computer. Next, plug your microphone into the designated microphone input on the sound card. This is typically a 3.5mm jack. Finally, connect your headphones or speakers to the appropriate output port, usually marked with a headphone icon, to hear your audio. With the physical connections made, it's time for software configuration. Navigate to your computer's sound settings, usually found in the control panel or system preferences. Here, select the V8 sound card as your default input and output device. Then, adjust the input and output volume levels to your preference within the audio mixer. A good starting point is often around 75%. Finally, perform a quick test to ensure everything is working correctly. To ensure everything is perfect, perform a thorough test. Play some music through your connected speakers or headphones and try recording your voice using the microphone. If you encounter any issues, first, double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure. Sometimes a loose cable is the culprit. If problems persist, try reinstalling the V8 sound card drivers or simply restarting your personal computer. These steps often resolve common audio glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.